How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Dad Makes Dough, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a free landing page for affiliate marketing where you can start collecting emails, getting control of your own traffic without paying for it, and start sending them offers out. Let's start making this money. So let's jump over to the computer now and let's get started. Right guys, so now I'm over on computer. If you look here, this is my landing page where you can get a free affiliate marketing blueprint ebook. If you do click the link in my bio and sign up, I'll give you this for free. I'll leave that at the top, but anyway, if you want a quick and easy free landing page just like this, get your free affiliate marketing blueprint, or you can write whatever you want here, drag and drop. Literally, someone will enter the name, enter their email, so we'll put my name, so it's Lewis. So we'll put Lewis in there, and we'll put lewis@gmail.com. Right, and that's as simple as that. So what you want to do first off is click the link in my bio for a website called Aweber. Now, what this is, it's for email marketing, lead pages, automated emails that you can send out and stuff like that. And all you need is a completely free plan. You can sign up and pay for it if you've got over 500 email subscribers and you want a little bit more, but I just use the free version. Literally, click the link in my bio now and get Aweber free. Literally super easy, drag and drop to get landing pages, pre-built templates, automated campaigns, everything you could possibly want. If you want to look at the pricing, so you can get the pro version, which is pretty much the same, it's just a little bit different. Look, so you've got 500 subscriber limit, 300 emails a month, so on and so forth. But the free, and it won't have like Aweber branding if you want to make it look a little bit more professional. You know, there's a little bit more limitations with the free version, but you can work it just completely for free. So you can sign up, simply pop your name, email, all in there, sign up, and then I'm going to show you exactly how you can go and start building this. So what you want to do is go on here, and then you want to go landing pages. So this is my landing page. Let's create a landing page. So opt-in page. So that's the one that I've used, but we can use something a little bit different. So let's have a look at this one. This is how simple it is to collect emails, to build a simple landing page. So what we're going to do is put landing. So we'll put YouTube landing page. Tell you subscribe. Literally, you can edit all this. You can insert images. Literally, you could put like an image there. Image gallery. It's got plenty of images on here. Let's put that on there. As you know, you can. It's literally drag and drop. You can add stuff, delete stuff, as simple as that. You can edit it all down here as well. Font size, link color. You can literally sign up. You can link in all your stuff here. So you've got Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, everything you want. And then you go to preview. It's going to give you the preview of that, and then you can input emails, names in there, and that's how you're going to start building a nice little email list in which you can send out emails. So all you need to do is publish it. Then what you want to go over to bit.ly and literally create it. So this one here, this is mine. Copy that to clipboard. Instead of having it come up as dadmakesdough.a web page, so on and so forth, to make it look a little bit more professional, you can purchase a domain if you want, so like dadmakesdough.com or whatever yours is. I'll show you that. You can get those for pretty cheap. Let's have a look. So if we go on Google and go to Namecheap, you can literally get it super cheap. Let's have a look. So I want YouTube Mark 1, search. There we go. £6 a year, 72p. Or if you want like a .com, there we go, £6 a year. Literally, you can, or if you want to do it a little bit easier, so what we'll do is we'll copy and paste that link there, and then all I've done is edited that backlink. So now it's literally as simple as going copy and paste that. Now, if someone comes to this and searches it, it's going to come up with this. It looks a little bit cleaner, a little bit better, and this is how you can start. You'll have loads of different lists then, loads of different email subscribers and stuff like that. status of pending. These are people who haven't actually gone to their email and accepted. This is just me testing it out for the time being. There's loads of stuff you can do, web push, alterations, everything like that. If you go back onto your dashboard, you can see everything. Build your list. You can even create an email, integrate everything. If you want to send sales across, you can track everything. So this is easily the easiest and best free version of an email marketing and landing page builder. Best thing that I've ever used. Don't forget, so if you want to just click the link in my bio right now, literally click get for free, boom, get started for free today, and you can start earning them emails. My next video that I'm going to upload is going to be how you can start getting traffic and how you can actually grow your email list completely for free and just start building it and putting it out there. Don't forget to stay tuned for that. If you did enjoy the video, guys, don't forget to smash that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get this affiliate marketing bank